guys, me Mikey. Welcome back to Mikey Macho Garage. And today we're going to be learning how to install this air filter, this in-cabin air filter, on my mom's 2013 Toyota Sienna. So if you want to know how to do that, then stay tuned. And disclaimer, I am just a Mikey Macho Garage mechanic and I am not a professional, so if you want to do this, do it at your own risk. But remember, stay safe. So this is the new filter that we're going to be replacing the old air filter with, and it's a charcoal filter, and it's going to be used to reduce the smells in the car. And this is a kid's vehicle, and you know, kids produce a lot of smells. Step one is that we need to remove the glove box, and in order to do that, we need to open the glove box. So the first thing is that we need to remove this bracket on the right side of the glove box. You have to push these clips in so the glove box will fold down. And once the glove box is down, you need to remove this cover, and there are clips on each side of the cover. And when you take the cover off, make sure you know where the arrow is pointing, so you know where the airflow is going, so you can put the new filter in the same way. Now with the new filter in place, put the cover back on. To put the glove box back on, you need to forcefully slide the clips back into place so they'll slide into place. So now the glove box is back up. Now you need to push the lever on the right side in. So now you know how to fix an air filter. So if you want to see more videos, then leave a like and subscribe, and maybe hit the notification bell. Bye!